Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We've been waiting a really long time for the match. Here we are to commence match third of the day of your Super Sunday. I've got on my right Captain Shiva of High-Tech Titans Care Hospital, and the match official for the day is Deepak, who's got the coin. Will be giving either to the captains and to him. Surprise! The man is back for KCC Royals, Hafiz, who's been long awaited. Let's see to whom the official gives the coin, and the coin's been given to the Captain Shiva. Spins the coin, heads is the call. And so be it, heads it is. And let's go to the skipper who's won the toss. So you're going to bat. If you guys can stay here for a minute, so if you can come along here. Your decision to bat along this pitch, because this pitch still looks fresh, being the third game as well. So how do you make out of the pitch?
It's a sporting web not matches at all. So we have seen that which is good. So we are taking
You've been experienced, KCC Royals. So what do you think the decent score on this track would be? And your combination, as this is the season 10, you've been a long part of the game for one champion. So what have you kept your combination for the day to day?
Because we are playing this champion season, so the combination will be the right for the left and
Thank you for your time. All the very best for your game. Let's go straight to the captain, who's not been part of the toss. And Shiva, the toss hasn't been with you today. So what would have been your decision if the toss you would have won? और आपके हिसाब से जो पिच बोले आपके पिच अच्छा है, बैटिंग सरफेस है, तो ये लोग बैटिंग कर रहे हैं, आपके अंदाजे से कितना होगा जो आप इनको रिस्ट्रिक्ट करना चाहेंगे टोटल? और आपको कुछ फैक्टर है जो आपका टीम को कॉम्बिनेशन आज आप लेके आए, जो आपका पहला मैच जीतने के लिए कैसा रखे आप टीम का कॉम्बिनेशन? All the very best for your game. I wish you all the very best, both of the teams. Thank you. And this is it from the center, where KCC Royals have won the toss and elected to bat first. Chalo bhai. Driven well, and he takes. Given the batsman is baffled. Is clueless, could not read the ball, which hit him on his stumps, exactly where he was standing in front of the umpire. And the batsman is stretching. He will have responsibility. And another wicket. He's found the edge, and the luck will benefit him. Now this is some good shot, picture perfect shot. And it's been straight away hit and plumb. What is happening here? They are tumbling. It's flicked hard. And after a very long
Again, the same region. Yes, it's a boundary. And a wicket. Bold.
gets down and gets the bat. Will he get the boundary? I guess so. And gets down and pushes in the gap. Will takes down, fielder coming, will he get it? What a brilliant catch. Takes on, hit firmly, and will be a boundary. No need to. Finds the gap. Lovely. Nobody to blame but himself. Takes on. Nothing. Save your legs for man of R. Slow through the air and moves across and has played it and will be a boundary definitely. Was appeal and straight plum. Ranadhir is excited. Has got his first wicket. And 3 wickets are down. And the mystery bowler will be a boundary. Has punched that firmly. Mystery bowler taken for granted. Heaves across. Tried hard. Will get a boundary. Beautiful cricketing shot. Looped up and he is invited. Wanted to take him on, but has cleaned him up instead. Looped up and will run. Back again with the ends change and he's put the ball in the gap. Will get 4 runs. Straight in the hands and Vigneshwar Reddy spoiling the party for High-Tech Titans.
Very hard. Took the he took the all power from his body and hit it to the ball. And swung the back to the leg side and getting the 4.
Hey, sit down. Will it be a catch? It will run away to boundary. With this, he also completes his half century. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the post-match presentation ceremony of match number 8. Before we proceed, let's take a minute to thank our proud sponsors. Hell Rockers R11, MSR Tipper Services, RR Stones, and Foursquare Sports Shop. To begin with, a quick synopsis of the match, what had happened here. KCC Royals winning the toss and electing to bat first. Having in the shoes of batting first, they've scored 82 runs exactly, where they're, 78 runs and being bowled out for 17 overs, and the other team, High Tech Titans of Care Hospital, scoring just in 13 overs for keeping 4 wickets in hand, 82 runs, and the man who stole the show with wild win, that is Sharath. Let's get away to the captain who lost the match of KCC Royals. Firstly, Habib is standing next to me. Firstly, bad luck for the day and tough day for you.
Yeah, we started with we won the toss and started the bowling. So the pitch was not good and the opponent tighter. So we are connected very
And exactly, the wickets what you've been talking about, they have been very consistent and consecutive with the wicket picking. How is that? I mean, KCC Royals, which have been like a very composed unit and mature cricket where they have been playing, that part is missing today. What would have been the factor, do you think?
see what happened today. The bowling was very bad. So the pitch was very low. The ball was not getting up. So the advantage was the ball was very low. Getting the ball. Most of the you have seen that we bowled. Most of the playing got bowled.
That's it, and I guess you've got 4 more matches in the league, long league for KCC Royals to contest, and all the very best if you can stand along here to felicitate first. Let's go to the captain who's won today, Shiva. Congratulations. This is any better to start your campaign with a win. How do you feel winning your first match?
First of all, Hari and are also batting. First of all, the task. But I think first batting, already I told.
but जैसे शरद बैटिंग कर रहे थे, लगा नहीं था कि आपके पास बैटिंग की कोई कमी है?
कमी है मगर बैटमैन सारे हारी है और ज़्यादा बैटिंग इस प्रैक्टिस के लिए हल्लू प्रैक्टिस के लिए गए।
हल्लू तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिखा, आप लोग तो धमाल मचा दिए फील्ड पर, लेट इट बी बॉलिंग और द बैटिंग कंपार्टमेंट, बट जैसे भी खेले बहुत बढ़िया खेले। आपके मैन ऑफ द मैच को वेट नहीं कराते। लेट्स गेट हिम हियर। शरद who scored 50 runs, who was looking very decent with the good touch with the bat, and as well was picked 2 wickets in 4 overs, conceding 23 runs. Firstly, congratulations, first match and the man of the match for your team. How do you feel being the man of the match?
Thank you so much for a very good match. Our bowlers bowled really well. Containing them to 78 is not an easy thing. So do the easy job of for the bat.
And as the man of the match, NRR would be the most pivotal part when it will be coming, where the pools will be very tough on the teams for you to qualify, and this match will be one of the important match for you to get the NRR. What had you make out as a batsman, as a bowler, because you are on the first, when you were on the track bowling first and then you were batting. So did it help you anywhere as a bowler to understand the pitch when you were batting?
Actually, we were not planning for any NR or anything. We were playing with a new team. A lot of players are playing after 4-5 years of that. So we tried to give a chance to everyone so that they'll have a match practice. So bowling part went very well. So containing them to 78. The batting as well. As I'm not a one-off batsman, I went ahead to get some touch. So there are a lot of other batsmen who give chance to people occasionally. So that's why I congratulate our captain and our team. Actually, we are not looking about net run rate. So match practice what we are looking at. So it went on very well.
And that's it. This is what happens when a player is good. The opportunities they utilize properly. This is where he gets his fruit. Let's take a minute to appreciate the felicitation of the man of the match. I request the KCC Royals captain Hafiz to felicitate him, and along with him I request Captain Shiva to take along his train. you. Thanks. And this is where we wrap and see you in the next weekend.